Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start by confirming YouTube Partner Program eligibility requirements carefully. You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. Alternatively, meet 1,000 subscribers and 10 million Shorts views in 90 days for Shorts creators. Enable two-step verification on your Google account before applying. Prepare a government ID and a valid mailing address for AdSense PIN verification. Check that your channel follows all monetization policies and has no active strikes. Organize bank details for sign into YouTube Studio and open the Monetization tab to start the application. Click Review Partner Program Terms and agree to YouTube's monetization policies when prompted. When asked about payments, choose to create a new AdSense account or to link an existing one immediately. Enter the legal name exactly as on your bank account and tax documents. Provide a valid mailing address so Google can send the verification PIN by post. Add bank account details now to streamline future payments and tax form handling. After linking AdSense, expect a verification PIN mailed to your address in 2 to 4 weeks. Enter the PIN in your AdSense account to confirm your address and enable payments. Complete identity verification and submit required tax information before the first payout. AdSense releases payments once your balance reaches the 0 threshold in your currency and after month-end processing. Monitor estimated earnings in YouTube Studio and review payment holds or policy flags promptly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.